That's why. Oh, go on. Pick up on a nice clean self. I find my glasses. Anyways, I lay down here, me I think. Let me take it off. Okay. Me I think about Auntie Dana function. And, it just keep on a playing in my head. It just keep on rewind how peaceful and how happy everybody was, how everybody looked, everybody, how everybody greet each other and so forth. Um, I sorry, I never use my camera a little more, taking pictures with Madonnas. Cause now me actually browse through socials and me see, but you need not think, we meet people and but it's like me not think of taking pictures. Me just enjoy myself and me want me in a me own little zone sometimes. I will have meds and I enjoy the music and oh I don't know. It was just so refreshing. It was refreshing to me. I was watching Auntie Dana live when Auntie Dana said, well, me never watched the live, watch the replay. Somebody actually sent me a clip and I watched the replay when Auntie Dana said me look like Cinderella. Wow, that's amazing. Thank you, Auntie. She said me look like Cinderella. I'm there, I blush. Oi, we say, no, sir. Auntie had the bars, but let me tell you something. You see, life is very short, and you should enjoy every moment of it while you're on this earth because tomorrow is not promising. And I make nobody, no, I mean nobody, take away your joy and steal your joy. Yesterday I was in my comment section responding to some of Madonna's them, and I come across this comment where this lady was telling me about Auntie Donna dress, and it's like she literally provoking me, putting it in my comment section. I said, if you have a problem, why don't you take it over Auntie Dana page? Because you know why? You know why she do that? She literally provoking me. I don't have a problem with Auntie Dana dress. She looks stunning in her dress. That's her dress. That's her style. It have nothing to do with me. Why did you come over my page trying to provoke me, leaving those long messages? Why can't you just be nice? Like, what it takes so much. I mean, you guys, please, when you think, when you put a comment under somebody page, people might going through a rough time, and that comment can trigger people to do whatever with their life. Just think about others. Think about if you have grandchildren, because a lot of the terrible comments are coming from some grandmother. Think about that. If your children or your grandchildren scrolling through social media and the kind of things that you're talking about somebody that have not done you anything, you don't know them in person. You can't be doing people like that. That's just wrong. It's wrong. Listen, before me pull up and leave a comment on somebody's picture that is so terrible, I prefer scroll. I said this before, like, why can't we just be better people? Why can't we just be kind to each other? Why we have to be so mean? Like, why? Like, why? Give me a reason. It's a demonic spirit inside of somebody that just get up and just be mean every day. Like, you have a demonic spirit and you have to seek help. It's not normal. It's not a normal thing to get up and just be mean to people. You have to check it out. Because if you're living on this earth and you're not happy with yourself, then when you go down there, when them bury you, you're not going to be happy either. Try to fix the problem while you are here. Fix it. Fix it. Nobody can make you happy but you. If you're not happy with yourself, you're going to be happy here and there. Please don't come in my comment section, come put anything about anyone. No one. I was being nice to you when you did not deserve it. But honestly, just be nice to people. Teach your children. You see why these generations are like that? Because you guys don't teach them to be like that. You have this mean spirit and you let it off, give your children and your grandchildren to go out there and terrorize people. Like, you must stop. Like, what it gonna take for you to just be nice to somebody? Even if them not nice to you, set an example. I'm not gonna say every day people not gonna get you out, but when you're being consistent, life not perfect, nothing not perfect, but at least you can try, and trying is being better. You don't have to talk to everybody. You can just be nice. You don't have to talk to people. You don't. If somebody upsets you, you don't have to deal with them. But that doesn't mean you have to put things out there in the atmosphere like that. Set an example. People are watching, and sometimes you don't know who is watching. If somebody offends you, the right hand offend you, cut it off. I could have your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your uncle, your aunt. Me not care. You don't have to talk to them. But that doesn't mean you have to put them on a blast. Tell them your mind right there and then. But that don't mean say you have to put it out there in the atmosphere. Like everything is just reversing. Just be nice. A word of encouragement, be nice. Set some example. Don't leave this earth because you don't know when tomorrow you can drop dead. You don't know. Every day God search your heart. Him search your heart. Clean it up, man. Don't not clean it up because you just don't know when you're going to drop. And that's where we hit. But have a blessed day.